have an idea of something we'll try because we're gonna have to take her apart, pattern out streets with snow, right? So I don't know, let's go play. The forest vision I had, love. I'm gonna go ahead and just add some of this around and see if we like the white with the fluff. I'm feeling this vibe, but I kinda like this one too. Dang it. Well, hello guys. Welcome back to Vlogmas. We're starting the day off with coffee because it just feels right. I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning. I edited the video from last night so you know where we've left off with the Christmas village. Today though is the day we finish her up. And I have an idea. I'll share in a minute. So we have a butter pecan swirl. Smells, as always, it smells really good. I guess this is just our routine, so let's try it. Yeah, not my favorite. There isn't a lot of our brown sugar creamer. There's not a lot left. So we're gonna go ahead and just use that. Ah, yes. I don't know, I just wanted to start the day off with this. All right, let's go take a peek at the village. I'll give you a quick recap of where we're at. Plus, I have an idea. Of something we'll try because we're gonna have to take her apart anyways because we have to add all of these lights. We've got to get all of these into each of the village pieces. Now, in full transparency, I love it. I love the way this looks, but I have an idea, and we're gonna just play around with one of the shelves before we kind of really dive in and reset her up, because what I'm thinking, we take off the blanket of snow and just keep the base black, and then just put in the puffs of snow here and there. The reason I'm thinking that is because it'll be less white here, so it doesn't look like it snowed a ton. And then we don't have to, if we even have to do flocking at all, I just think it might look a little bit better and just put the mounds of snow. I wanna try it. I want to just see what that will look like, and then we'll kind of decide and go from there. But I mean, that is what's most fun, right? About doing things like this. You can try different things. So like I said, I have been up since really early this morning. I actually got my workout in, showered, all the things. So I am very much ready to go. So I have this outlet tower. This is what we will plug into the wall, and this is what we will plug in all of those lights. So each of those lights will go into here, but we have to string each light through the stand itself. And it's what I love about the construction of the stand. Joe, you did an amazing job thinking things through, because there's a hole there. I've covered it with the snow blanket. So we have to take that snow blanket off, which is why it's a good time to just try my idea and see. Here's the other reason why I'm thinking that trying it is a good idea, because we can kind of pattern out streets with snow, right? So I don't know, let's go play. Now Rob said if I wanted, he would help me flock the garland if we decide to do that. because I'm kind of wondering, like, just a super light spraying maybe might look good. But okay, we got to take her apart. By the way, I did play just a little bit last night, just a little bit, and the forest vision I had, love. Okay guys, this is it. I cannot even. So I did use risers. I love the pillowy snow. I want some of the black to kind of be down there as the base. I love the way that looks. And then you can see the house, and imagine when the lights are on, that house back there will peek through. It's gonna look so good. I'm gonna go ahead and just add some of this around and see if we like the white with the fluff, because maybe that look will be good too, and then we'll decide. Okay, now I'm kind of like, I don't know. I love this. The little mounds, right? Those there. I cannot decide. I cannot decide. I just added a little bit of the icing type ones. It's this stuff right here. They're like snowflakes, and I kind of don't like them. I'm feeling like I like this stuff much better. I'm feeling this vibe, but I kind of like this one too. Dang it.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
I've just realized all of these take batteries. All right, guys, we are done. If you have been with me throughout this entire Christmas Village journey, even from last year when we found the village pieces, so these are Department 56, it's the North Pole series. I love the way this has come out. We found the stand on Facebook Marketplace. Joe, you did an amazing job building this. I love it. The way that this has turned out just absolutely blows my expectation and what I visualize out of the water. I love this. And it's exciting because as the years progress, we're gonna be able to add to it, switch things up, make it better, make the process a little bit easier because this year definitely there was a learning curve there, but it looks beautiful. I'm so happy with it, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching another Vlogmas 2023 video. I'll see you tomorrow.